Jesus, the mention of his birth is there. And then suddenly for 12 years we read nothing about Jesus. And then we read how he as a young boy of 12 went into the temple. And he spoke with great wisdom. And then again for 18 years we hear nothing about Jesus. Only when he started his ministry at the age of 30, the Bible says. And the very first thing he did when he started his ministry was to be baptized. The voice of the Father came, "You are my beloved Son. I am well pleased with you. You haven't done one miracle." And that's how God sees his children. Ek hoef nie 'n ding te doen om God meer lief te hê as wat hy het nie. Heaven is not obsessed with performance. Heaven is obsessed with relationship. And that's why we are called by our name.